Hello everybody, so this is a short video, so I'm gonna be quick. So I will show you guys here in my bone meal farm. So this is the lever that light this up, that will turn on this farm. I just put the lever the rate as I wanted. So this is the after, so if you put like there, put one repeater right there, it will light this switch. So I made it so it's less more repeater. So in here, it is a repeater here and redstone. That's because this hopper in here below that taking the items in here, if that if that hopper is full, this will light up, and this redstone will light this, and after this redstone light up, this thing will stop. And then let's go back, guys. This is the chest, only three, but you can make it more, the merrier chest. What am I saying, bro? So why am I lagging? So I just did like I'm putting the filters and then putting the bonus because I'm kinda bored to make the auto shulker. So that's all for my tour. Wait, I forgot one thing, bro. I can't forget this thing, bro. This is where you drop the bones, guys. See ya.